Hi, 8th graders. So for our contemporary fiction unit, you're going to be working in the voice of your fictional character from the book or story that you selected. So you're going to be working in a social media platform that's closed. It's only by invitation only from me to you, called kidblog.org. You'll be getting the full information in our next video. But the first thing you're going to need to do is kind of a fun thing. Since you're not going to be writing from your own identity and your own voice, you're going to be writing in the voice of your character. And what I mean by that is if you are reading Squash, then you are no longer who you are Ellie Morgan. If you're reading Touching Spirit Bear, you're no longer you are Cole Matthews. And so on and so forth. If you're reading Hero, you're Sean Parker. If you're reading Phoenix Rising, you are Niall Sumner. And that's whether you're a boy or a girl. Same thing, if you are reading Small Steps, you are Armpit, Theodore Johnson. And if you read Holes, you are Stanley Yelnats. And if you read 7th grade, then you are the main character, and I have totally spaced out what that is. So, in addition to writing from the voice of this fictional character, you're also going to create an avatar of what that character might look like. So I'm going to go through the steps on how to create an avatar. You do have an app in self-service that you're going to need to open it, and it is called Avatar Creator. So let's look at how you create an avatar in Avatar Creator. So you need to find this app. It's called Avatar Creator, and when you open it up, you're going to choose whether your character is male or female. So let's take a look at this short video. It doesn't have sound, but I'll talk you through it on how this Avatar Creator works. So I'm getting started on creating a new one. So here's your opening page. Choose male or female. I'm going to choose male because the book I'm reading for in-class reading is the main character is a boy named Digger. So the first thing you can see is you can change the shape of his face and then change the color by selecting the paintbrush. If you're reading Small Steps, you will need an African American boy. Next, you're going to change the hairstyle. You can also change the color by selecting the hairbrush. And then X out. Next, you're going to find eye color and eye shape. I mean, it's up to you. It's whatever you can find in the story that gives you that information. So eye shape, eye color. I mean, you have a lot of creativity. Next, eyebrows. Are they happy brows? Are they bad brows? Whatever. Then your nose. What shape nose do you want? And then mouth. Different shape mouth. And again, I would recommend change the color because the bright red lips are pretty gross. So you want to change the lip color, lip shape to fit your character. Then beards, mustaches. None of our characters have those, so they want to choose clothing. Please make sure the clothing is appropriate. There's a couple that are a little weird. You can add hats. None of our characters are tattooed or have weird scars or anything like that. So when you're ready, you just tap the little orange house thing. And I want to overwrite one because I use too many, so you can see that I'm having a bit of a struggle to choose the one that I want. So I want to, these are the two that I'm allowed to have. Any others of that cost money. So I want to delete one avatar and keep that one. So I'm going to keep this one that's bouncing. And then this will be the avatar that I will use when I create my account in kidblog.org. So it's super simple. Have some fun. But you can only make 2 to save. So you might want to make a fun one just for practice.